Continuing the exercise 3B, question number 5. During the school's spring cleaning day, Robin and his classmates spent one whole 1 by 4 hours and one whole 1 by 12 hours cleaning two classrooms assigned to them respectively. So the part A is find out the total time that they spent. We simply need to add one whole 1 by 4 and one whole 1 by 12. The answer to which is 2 whole 1 by 3 hours. Part B is which classroom took them longer to clean. So we just need a comparison between one whole 1 by 4 and one whole 1 by 12. Since we don't have the similar uniform denominator, we need to find out the uniform denominator using LCM. 1 whole 1 by 4 and 1 whole 1 by 12. Simplifying the equation, we have 5 by 4 and 13 by 4. Taking the uniform denominator, we have 15 by 12 and 13 by 12. All that you need to do is look for the biggest numerator, that is 15 by 12, which corresponds to 1 whole 1 by 4. So the room that took them 1 whole 1 by 4 hours to clean took the longest of both of them. Part C is how much longer did they spend in cleaning one classroom than the other classroom? Simple subtraction question. 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 whole 1 by 12, 2 by 12 hours longer. Question number 6. Mary had 6 whole 3 by 4 cups of flour. She used 2 whole 7 by 12 cups in one recipe and 2 whole 13 by 24 cups in another recipe. How much flour did she use? We simply add 2 whole 7 by 12 and 2 whole 13 by 24. Adding the whole numbers individually and adding the fraction individually and then summing them up, we have 2 plus 2 plus 7 by 12 plus 13 by 24. Different denominator, we need to find out the common denominator using LCM, which will be 24 in this case. So we have 4 plus 14 plus 13 over 24. 4 whole 27 by 24. You need to simplify this 27 by 24 bit, which will be 4 whole 9 by 8. And since the numerator is greater than the denominator, we can write it as 5 whole 1 by 8 cups used. Part B is how much flour had she left? So she started with 6 whole 3 by 4 minus 5 whole 1 by 8. That is the answer to part A. We solve them up and the answer to that is 1 whole 5 by 8 cups left. Question number 7. The police conducts a regular anti-secret society operation among youth. On a Friday night, the officers spent 3 by 4 hours, 1 whole 1 by 2 hours, and 2 whole 1 by 4 hours checking on youth at 3 youth hangout respectively. Find the total time the officers spent on the operation. Simply we add them up. 3 by 4 plus 1 whole 1 by 2 plus 2 whole 1 by 4. 4 whole 1 by 2 hours.